It's summertime, you guys, and one of the things that I love to do this time of year is to incorporate delicious fruits and vegetables such as this into my diet, which is exactly what we're going to be doing today. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. And now that you're joining me, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you will always be informed of when I upload new content such as this. So you guys, I am going to take this delicious red pepper and stuff it with a chicken fried rice. You guys, this thing is delicious, it's low carb, it's high protein, and it is going to work for everyone, whether or not you are following a low carb diet or not. Now, what makes it high protein is the fact that we're using chicken breast, and what keeps it low carb is the fact that we are using a cauli rice instead of a regular rice. So you guys, everything that we need to put this deliciousness together is on the screen. Get everything together, join me back here, and I will show you how to put this together coming up next. So as you can see, I have already prepped everything. I have already taken my chicken breast, cubed it, seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic powder. One thing that you will always find in my kitchen, you guys, is chicken breast, salt, pepper, and garlic powder because it just works. So I've already go ahead and cooked the chicken and set it aside. And also what you want to do is to take your cauli rice, which is frozen, you guys, prepare it according to the microwave instructions, and then put it in the fridge so it can cool off. The reason being is because you do not want to stir fry a warm cauli rice, otherwise it's gonna end up soggy. So that's what I've done. I pre-cooked it, put it in the fridge, and I've taken it out. And the rest of my ingredients here have been prepped and ready to go over to the stove to stir fry this chicken and rice. Okay, into our preheated skillet, which by the way is the same skillet that I used to cook this chicken, I am going to add in my diced onions. And now that these have become translucent, we are going to add in our minced garlic. Next, our cauli rice. And you just want to continue to cook this until it's heated through. Okay, everyone, this is heated through. So up next, I am just going to move this off to the side to make a little well right here in the center, because next we are going to scramble our egg. Okay. Put a little bit of avocado oil in the center, just so it doesn't stick. Okay. Get this egg, want to whip it a little bit, and in it goes. Okay, and now that this is cooked, let's go ahead and mix this into the rice. Add in our chicken. And one thing I should mention while we are here is I had just cooked my chicken just maybe a half hour or so prior to putting this together. Now, if you had some chicken that you cooked the previous day, leftover chickens or pulled chicken from a rotisserie chicken that you had in the fridge, what you want to do is you want to heat it before doing this. Otherwise, you're going to have cold chicken and a warm rice, and you kind of want all the things to come together at the same temperature. Now, normally what I would do is go ahead and add in some salt and pepper to taste, but because I am using soy sauce, which is salty in nature, even though it's low sodium, I am going to reserve the salt and pepper until the very end. So, having said that, you guys, let's go ahead and add in some soy sauce. And what this does is it gives this chicken fried rice a wonderful flavor as well as color. All right, you guys, so at this point, you would taste it to see if you need any salt and pepper. And then the last thing that you want to do is add in some sesame oil. I'm going to turn this burner down to low. And this sesame oil just takes the flavor of this chicken fried rice just over the top, you guys. Absolutely delicious. Turn off the burner and you guys, this is ready. So join me at the counter and we are going to stuff the pepper. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and prep this pepper. Let's take this little stem off the top, make it easier to cut this. Okay, cut it down the center. And we're going to remove the center that has the seeds and the vein. Okay, and these are ready. I'm going to go over to the stove and get our rice, and then we are going to stuff these peppers. Okay, you guys, and here we have it. Let's go ahead and stuff these peppers. Delicious, you guys. Okay, at this point, we are ready to give this a taste. Okay, you guys, are you ready for it? I know I am. Lord, I thank you. You can either use a knife and a fork or just go in, you guys. Oh my gosh. You guys have got to give this a taste. Oh my goodness. You have got the sweet crunch of this fresh red pepper stuffed with this deliciousness of this chicken fried rice, which is savory with the soy sauce and the onions and the garlic. This is the perfect summer meal. Give it a try, and when you do, please leave in the comments just how much you enjoyed this, you guys. And remember to give this video a like and a share, and also subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to press that notification bell so that you will know when I upload recipes such as this. Remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. And enjoy.